day 2 of Project Expo 2025. Today marks the most awaited moment of Project Expo, that is award ceremony, where all the hard work, creativity and innovation of students across different domains will be celebrated and recognized.
Today we have concluded University's Project Expo 2025, where the students from different streams have presented their phase 1 of project. But this has been a wonderful occasion for us to make us understand what exactly they are doing in projects. We categorize the projects into 3 categories: research project, innovation project and industry projects. Also, this enables an opportunity for them to get visible to the corporate and the industry for which they are solving the problem.